Often when you look at the mirror, you don't like yourself. Maybe you think that the size of your nose is much larger than the size of your mouth. Either you don't like your hair, or you find the shape of your lips very strange. Either you don't like your skin tone. Although, it seems very insulting to think of yourself as ugly. But in reality, it is a very valid and understandable feeling. Because in our society, we are generally judged by our external state. If we look good, we get a different kind of response. If we look ugly, we get a different kind of response. To feel ugly to yourself is very common these days. And there is no distinction between girls and boys in it. On social media like Facebook, Instagram, or Snapchat, every person is spreading his insecurities in front of the world. Those who see other people, they think of themselves as ugly and inferior to others. But they think that the selfie that someone has posted is one of the many selfies that are not so attractive that they can be posted. This selfie that has been posted has also used many filters and editing tools. To think of yourself as ugly also has a bad effect on our happiness and success. By this way, our self-esteem is damaged and we start to be dissatisfied with ourselves. Even if you are not ugly, you still look at the pictures of Facebook, TV, and models all day long and you think you are very unattractive by comparing yourself to other people. If you feel that you are ugly or not good enough according to society, then watch the video till the end. Your opinion will definitely change by the end of the video, and there are some other tips in the video. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. The first thing is that if you feel that you don't look good, then remember being beautiful or ugly is not one's own choice. And those who look good in your opinion, they can't be given any credit. Because no one is made to himself. Being beautiful or not is like a lottery that has not come out of your name. The way we look is actually the God-gifted. And remember one thing, that whatever people share on social media is not their real life. Whatever people share, they do it by filtering it well. People do put beautiful pictures of their year-end or wandering around, but they do not let their crying and all-day difficulties go away. The second thing is that no matter how happy you are living your life or how happy you will be living your life, in reality beauty cannot define it. Maybe when you are 15 years old or 20 years old, you have started to feel that you do not look so good compared to others. But those people whom you consider beautiful, they are also a part of life. For them, this age is probably 35 or 40 years. Therefore, how happy and satisfied you are living your life, it is mostly due to your inner peace or unhappiness. Maybe you only feel sad once in a while, or maybe you do it every day. But to always keep yourself sad or deprived of happiness is a very ungrateful thing. You should work on your self-esteem and accept it as it is. Sometimes you judge yourself more than others do. If you feel bad about yourself, there are more chances that you are worried about that one part or feature of your body or face that you do not like. For example, maybe you do not like your double chin or your big nose or your eyes are too small. If there is such a thing, you should not focus on these things. Instead, you should focus on the features that you think are good and beautiful. For example, if your nose is not good, it may be that your lips and eyes are lovely. Or maybe you like your jawline very much, but your ears do not look good. Whatever it is, you should focus on the things that you like and try to express those things. For example, if you are a woman and you think that your lips are good, you should use red lipstick to express them more. Or if you think that your eyes are beautiful, do makeup that makes your eyes look more prominent. In the same way, style of hair cutting in the case of men makes the features of the face look very good. Pay attention to those things and improve them as much as you can. But there is no point in worrying about such things about which you can't do anything. Apart from this, often feeling unbeautiful about yourself is due to unrealistic expectations about yourself. Because often you compare yourself with those people who are very few in the world. You should not set that standard of beauty for yourself or maybe any other person for yourself that we get to see in TV, movies, or magazines. Often it happens that you look at a beautiful model picture on the cover of a magazine and think that you can never look like this. But maybe you don't know that that model also doesn't look like that is reality. Because often those pictures are edited many times. Before the photo shoot, makeup is done for hours and the most expensive cameras are used. There are expert photographers who use angles in such a way that the picture looks much better than reality. A long time ago I read an interview of a model in a newspaper. I don't remember the name, but she told me that when she started modeling, she brought her pictures to a magazine once. In many days the magazine was lying in her house. Family members read it but no one recognized her. I hope you like this video. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.